Hello, hi everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about how to find the square roots of our numbers. How to find the square roots of the given numbers. So here you have to know one thing. What is the square of a number and what is the square root of a number? What is the square of a number? For example, here I'm writing here 2. What is the square of this number? What is the square of this numbers means the given number we have to write in product of the same number. That means what? 2 2s are 4. That means what? 4 is the square of 2. 4 is the square of 2. Or otherwise I'll take one more number. If I take 5, what is the square of this number? I'm not asking square root. What is the square of the number? So 5 into 5. So what is the square of the number? Means the same number we have to multiply 2 times. Then we'll get the square of the given number. Square of the given number means the same number we have to multiply 2 times, we'll get the square of the number. Then what is square root of the number means if any number, if we can write as the product of two equal numbers, for example, then one of that number is square root of the number. Square root means here I'm taking 16. What is the square root of this number? Square root symbol is this one, square root. This symbol simply we are calling square root. What is the square root of this number means the 16 is the number. 16 can we write in the product of two equal numbers or not? Yes, we can write. That is what? 4 into 4. So 4 into 4. So after writing like this, simply 4 into 4 means what? 4 square. So this square and square root gets cancelled, finally 4. So if any number, if anybody is asking what is the square root of any number means the given number can we write in the product of any two equal numbers or not, we have to check it. From that two equal factors, one factor we have to select it, that is the square root of the number, the square root of the given number. Yes, I hope you understand the difference between square and square root. Okay, for these kind of very small numbers are there. 25, what is the square root of 25? 5, what is the square root of 36? 6. So for two digit numbers and below 100 we can simply we can say the square root, but here finding square root is very important. So for finding square roots, we have two methods. One is prime factorization method, another one is division method. So in this video I'm going to explain one or two examples for finding square root in prime factorization method and using division method. For the bigger numbers like 4 digit number, 3 digit number, how can we find it? Let us see. Here is a question. Find the square root of 2025. So this is the given question. Here I am going to find the square root of 2025 by using prime factorization method, at the same time division method. Then easily you can understand the difference between these two methods. First we are going to find the square root of 2025 means write like this, square root of 2025. So what is the square root? First prime factorization method. So before doing that prime factorization method, first we have to know how to find the prime factors of the given numbers. We all know that how to find the prime factorization. So prime factorization we are doing by using a short division method. So I'll do it again. Once you see, first 2025, take the number and draw the lines like this. Then take first 5. 5 is a prime number. All prime numbers we have to take it as a divisors. So with 5 if I divide, I'll get 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. And then again I'll take 5 again. So 5 8s are 40 and 5 1s are, and here I can't take here 9 9s are, but 9 is not a prime number, so the reason I'll take 3. So 3 table 3 2s are 6 and 3 6 means it becomes 21. So 3 7s are 21, and of that again 3 9s are, again 3 3s are. You see, finally we are getting here is a prime number. So prime factorization is over. These all numbers are prime numbers. All devices are prime numbers only. We have to select it. So after completion of the prime factorization, now write those numbers like this. Here you see, yeah, look at here. So after completion of the prime factorization, just write the prime factors like this. 2025 under root is equal to 5 into 5 into, here 2 5s are there, and 4 3, how many are there? 4 3s are there. So in this way you have to write it under root. Now select two numbers, two factors we have to select it, because we are finding the square root. Now 5 into 5, 5 square into 3 square into 3 square under root, that equal to, if we are writing all these numbers according to that a power m into b power m, because all bases are different, powers are equal, then we can write like this, 5 into 3 into 3 whole square we can write it under root. So a square and this gets cancelled, then finally we have 5 into 3 into 3. So if you multiply all these three, what happen? 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. 45 is the square root of the given number. 45 is the square root of the given number. So 20 square root of is equal to 45. That means what? 45 into 45 is equal to 2025. That's the reason the given number we can write as a product of two equal numbers. From that one number if we select, that is the square root of the given number. I think now I'm going to explain in division method how can we find it. Division method. So for the division method, just one procedure, I'm going to tell you one or two steps. The steps you have to remember how to find it. First, the given number write like this, like 2025, and this side one line, this side one line. Now from right hand side select two digits. From right hand side select two digits, like you can draw the bars on 2 digits, after 2 digits 1 bar. Now first now from left side, what is the number is here? The first two digit 20, selected 20. For 20, what is the perfect square? Either it should be equal to 20 or less than 20, but the when we are multiplying the two numbers, the perfect square we needed. That means what? For example, if I take 4 4s are 16, 16 is less than 20. If I take 5 5s are 25, 25 is more than 20. That means 25 we do not take, either 20 or less than 20. That means 4 only possibility. So I'll write 4 4s are here, quotient and divisor must be equal. 4 4s are 16, write it here, 16. 16 write it here. Are you getting everybody? 4 4s are 16. Now 20, subtract it normally. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. So I think you understood this. Now the remaining two digits are there, bring down, that is 25. So now the dividend become 425. Now after completion of the first step, what you have to do, this what is the quotient is there, this 4 multiply with 2. 4 2s are 8, write it here. Now it is the new divisor. Now that is the new divisor. So whatever quotient is there, that multiply with 2. So you will get 4 8, 8 must be right here. Now here one more number is needed, these two numbers must be equal again. So with this number, if you multiply these two numbers, this number, you must get 425 or less than 425. Now for that, here the last digit is 5. So 5 when do we get 5 in the answer? Means if you take 5 here, 5 and 5 also here, then what happen? With this 5 multiply 85, that means 85 into 5. So multiply 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 425. So 5 into 85 equal to 425. So subtracted, you will get 0. 0 is the remainder. Now what will be the perfect square? Here square root 45 is the, what is the quotient we are getting, that is the square root of the given number. Here 2025, square root of 2025 is 45. This is the division method. Here I am going to explain one more problem for better understanding, because prime factorization method almost everybody can do it, but most of the students are feeling difficult finding in division method. So one more problem I am going to explain, that is 8281. What is the square root of 8281? Here what you have to do, first write the number 8281, then draw two lines like this, then from left side select two numbers. Now for first two numbers, that means for 82, the perfect square we have to find it. So what is the perfect square? 9 nines are 81, so 81 is less than 82, and if we are taking 10 tens are 100, it's more than 82, so there is not possible, that is 9 nines are 81. So 82 minus 81 is 1. Now 81 bring down, here two digits we have to bring down. After that, the second step is what? This 9 multiply with 2. 9 twos are 18. Now here one number we need to find it, that must be equal. In these two boxes, whatever number we are going to write, these two numbers must be equal. So 1 is there. 1 is there. When it will be, where is the possibility to get 1 here in last digit? Either 1 ones are, 1 will be there, or otherwise 9 nines are. For example, if I write 1 here, what happened? 1 into 181, 181 we got it. Or other, if you are not getting with 1, you go for 9, 9 nines are. So that is, anyway it is not possible. Here 1, when we take 1, we get that answer 181. So 91 is the square root of the given number. So this is the division method. So I hope you understand well. Do more and more problems. Easily you can solve it, prime factorization and division method. Thank you very much.